Hello.
Yeah, hello guys. Presley, can you see me on the tablet? Make sure we can see me. Today I'm going to be building something with K'NEX. Hopefully it'll persuade you to buy it and make some of it. So what am I building, Presley?
Race car.
Race car. So you will just do this. No, you don't need that. Presley, yeah, just video me. If Charlie still came to my house, I would have had him holding the camera or building. So you just do this. Then you get one of those awesome grey pieces. Uh-oh. I'll just put it back. Can you see me on the iPad, Presley?
Yeah.
Well, that grey piece can't really work. Then you get a grey piece.
I think my arms are getting tired.
Just try and rest them. Just try. But don't let go of the tablet. Oh, guys, for Christmas, my uncle's getting me like this calendar. It's getting me a camera, and the camera can work underwater, so I can make videos underwater. I bet you can't wait to see them, but Christmas
Will you share with it? Will you share it with me?
No, it's mine, but I could let you in my videos because that's how you make videos. So
That means you're not sharing it to me. That means I'm not.
No, I mean I am sharing with you, but that can only do videos, so you can be my videos. And maybe I'll give you a treat and let you be on your own. Because like the look of it now, we just need to add these wheels here. And then it'll be sorted.
Add two wheels.
Here. I don't know how long this video is going to be, guys.
It up to 20, then 24, then 68, 69, then 12, then yellow. Which?
I'll just video me, Presley, okay?
Okay.
Video me. I'm sorry if you couldn't see them. I'm building K'NEX.
Together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, and I'm just holding a tablet.
Yeah, that was just my dad speaking to me, guys. Because I am actually a child. I'm not like... I'm a teenager, so I can live on my own. Or like an adult, and Sophie was just like a child. But, did I tell you this before? Charlie has his own channel that is called Charlie's Vlogs. Charlie's actually from the same school and we're twins. I've never told you that before, but it's real. So, just put that there. That there. All sorted. So Charlie's my twin, and my friend Joshua K has a channel, which you might want to see it. It's called Saving Animals. You know. Presley, how long has it been on the video?
I don't know.
Just tell me, where does it say the video? Where does it say how long it's been?
30.
Just 30. That means it's been 3 minutes and 0 seconds, because I can't make this long, because on it I can't make very long videos just like Charlie. Charlie can't make long videos. Yes, I can't make long videos.
My hands are going to drop it because they are slippy now. They are slippy.
Okay, do you want to build the rest of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going to build the rest of our race car, aren't you, Presley?
Yeah.
You're allowed to break things a bit. This video has been 4 minutes, 31 seconds. No, 33 seconds. Now 4, now 5, now 6, now 7. Just try your best, Presley. Okay, can you hold it now, please? Because you're going to take a super long time, so can I do it, please?
Okay.
Yeah, you just hold it, guys. Hold it. Are your hands slipping
4,
anymore?
5.
We don't want to really know the time, really. Because it worries me that I'll have to start the video all over again. So don't tell me the time, please. If you don't mind. Let me put yellow, please. If I can't finish the video in this video, I'll carry on in the next video. How long has it been?
5, 50, 50.
50.
Yeah. My arms are going to fall asleep.
Just try. Okay, put it on the floor, then pick it up again. Okay, is that okay?
Yeah.
Is it better? So, this is taking a long time. Okay, bye guys. I'm going to carry this on in the next video. Bye! Let's just have a closer look at it. Bye! See you in the next video.